bird, waving right back at you, sir. Sounding good up here in the corner, 122 Main, just trying to let you know.
Hey, right back, 122. I got out of the road, man. I appreciate you specking the mic one more time, 122. I'll see you. Bye.
Got it all, yeah, bird. Always a pleasure hearing you rolling into the corner like you are. You take care, 122 the road. Bye.
He's a tough old bird. I may just have to make dumplings out of him. Hey, Daniel. No yard bird. He's a tough old bird. I may just have to put him in the crock powder, the pressure cooker, and make dumplings out of him. I'll see you. Silver bull here. 405. They call me here friendly neighborhood Spider-Man, and I got down.
Hey, Silver Bullet. I don't know if we can kick it back into your receive, but hey, you are showing up in Maine, no doubt. Hey, Silver Bullet, 122 waving.
Make chicken and dumplings out of them. Hey, Daniel, you better get on. 115, and they wave right back to you. 515. I ain't gonna put him on the grill. I'm just gonna have some chicken and dumplings. I'll see you. 405 Spider.